Let's go. She goes. She's gone. Let's.
Throttles easy to find. It is the red, green and black. Throttle from the controller itself, again 3 wires, red, green, black, usually labeled throttle handle. I'm snipping these because I don't actually have this connector. I'm gonna cut them off with the idea of doing the race car nut. Gotta get the insulation off somehow. Gotta split it into a V shape or Y shape. And I'm not gonna bore you obviously with you watching me making the French lip bracelet. This is our throttle, 3 wires.